The brain is known as the command center of the body. A vital organ, the brain controls almost every aspect of our daily lives, including physical movements, sensory perceptions, thoughts, emotions, and decision-making. As we grow older, brains also start to age. Though healthy aging of the brain is completely a natural process, it is important to keep your brain as healthy as possible. While this aging is influenced by several factors including genetics, our daily habits have a significant impact on how quickly or slowly our brains age. Let's take a look at some of the everyday factors that can accelerate brain aging. Chronic stress. Chronic stress takes a significant toll on our body and mind. Researchers have found that people with high level of blood cortisol have much poorer memory compared to the ones with normal cortisol levels. Chronic stress also plays a major role in the onset of several psychiatric conditions such as depression, bipolar disorder, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Stress can even change the brain's structure, especially the gray matter, responsible for decision-making and problem-solving. Poor sleep. Quality sleep plays a significant role in repairing, restoring, and recharging the brain. Poor sleep for a long period can disrupt the brain's ability to repair and detoxify itself. This is associated with aging, which could affect memory, concentration, and also increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Lack of physical activity. Another crucial factor that accelerates brain aging is the sedentary lifestyle. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the release of chemicals that improve cognitive function. The lack of the physical activity is linked to brain aging, which also lead to slower mental processing. Unhealthy diet. Eating habits can affect the functioning of the brain. An unhealthy diet including processed foods, sugars, and fried food can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which accelerates aging. Recent studies have revealed that the Mediterranean diet helps to slow brain aging. This diet, rich in fatty acids, antioxidants, carotenoids, vitamin E, and choline, promotes healthy brain aging. Heavy alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can accelerate the speed of brain aging. Alcohol intake shrinks brain cells, impair memory, and interferes with the brain's natural repair mechanisms. Consuming alcohol for a long time can lead to brain aging, and is also linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of dementia. Chronic inflammation. Inflammation could occur in the body due to several factors like poor diet, stress, or health conditions. Chronic inflammation can damage the brain cells and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Environmental toxins. Exposure to certain toxins such as heavy metals, air pollution, and pesticides has an impact on brain health. When exposed to toxins for a long time, it can lead to cognitive decline and increase the risk of conditions like Parkinson's disease.